first graders. My name is Miss Crater, and I'm in the red classroom. We're located near the end of the hall. Come on in. This year is going to be a lot different, but just a few reminders. Wear your mask to school. Also bring a water bottle because the water faucets aren't going to be on. Also, here are our mailboxes where each day you'll bring your take-home folder and put them there. And then we have iPads, which we're going to learn how to use. Everyone has their own iPad. Okay, over here we have our classroom library where we'll go book shopping once a week and you'll keep your books in your desk. And then over here we have my desk and my table where I'll meet with small groups for reading. Hope to see you soon, and